Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Edifier WH500 with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, you have to remember to charge your headphones for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port. Next, when you do this, you have to click and hold this power button for like 6 seconds, and you will hear the notification, the first one that they are turned on and the second one that they are in the pairing mode. So let's do this right now, and let's take a look also on this on this voice notifications. So click and hold the button, hold it.
Power on.
They are powered on, as you can hear.
Pairing.
And right now they are in the pairing mode. So we can release this button, and also as you can see, when we put them to the pairing mode, this indicator will start blinking quickly. So what we have to do next, that's very obvious. Just activate Bluetooth on your device and then go to this Bluetooth settings. Click to pair new device, and from available devices, just select your Edifier WH500. Click on them once, accept the pairing, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.